I'm inviting you to experience the allure of Staten Island, New York, not just through my words, but in person. Let me start with the 5 reasons why this borough is a treasure, and then dive into an exciting opportunity and an open house invitation. Affordable living in New York City. Enjoy spacious budget, friendly homes. Staten Island is a place for those seeking value in the city. A nature's lover's dream. Greenest borough is filled with parks and hiking trails. The Staten Island Greenbelt is a highlight, offering a personal retreat. Cultural experiences. Explore the vibrant cultural scene from the Snug Harbor Cultural Center to its historic landmarks. Experience community. Staten Island Ferry provides a scenic, free ride to Lower Manhattan with stunning views of iconic landmarks. Community feel. This borough offers close-knit community atmosphere within the exciting New York City environment. Open house invitation today. Today, I invite you to an exclusive open house location at 627 Rockaway Street, Tottenville section of Staten Island, New York, from 12 to 2 p.m. November 18th. Just 1 block away from the Raritan Bay, this property offers more than just a home. It's a lifestyle. Bask in the tranquil bay views and the ocean's majesty will also be showcasing in today's post. And you can see it here. Call me at 718-550-8033. This open house is a unique opportunity to envision your life in Staten Island with its perfect blend of city living, natural beauty. Discover the natural, peaceful bay, cultural richness, and friendly community. I can't wait to welcome you to the scenic spot in Tottenville. So we are here at the Raritan Bay, and you can see across from us is New Jersey. South Amboy, Perth Amboy, Middlesex County is right across the water. So we're just taking a trip down the block from the open house today, and I wanted to spend some time in this environment because it's truly tranquil, and what a beautiful day we have here for the open house today. As I make my way up back onto the street, and we're going to walk down back to the house, which is about a block away from where I am now. And as you can see, we have a beautiful tree-lined block, and there's a restaurant here right at the corner called the Coral Bay Cafe. You can see it here in the background. I'm sure it will be open this afternoon, and this is what it looks like. The end of the block, this most south section, South Shore of Staten Island, New York, the Tottenville section in Richmond County, Staten Island, for those of you who might be watching from all over the globe. So I'm taking a walk back up the street to the actual house. Again, the open house today is from 12 to 2 p.m. 627 Rockaway Street, Staten Island, New York, Tottenville section. Beautiful tree-lined block. Just making my way back up to the property while getting some steps in on this beautiful day. For all of you, for everybody watching, I want to wish you all a happy Thanksgiving to you and your families, and a beautiful, happy holiday season which is upon us. As you can see, a lot of homes here, beautiful tree line block, and you can see the foliage, beautiful. Look at that beautiful tree. That is truly amazing. Wow, that is beautiful. What a What a beautiful couple of trees here. I don't know the names of those trees. I have to find out, but they are beautiful. I will keep walking back up to the house located at 627 Rockaway Street, Staten Island, New York, in the heart of Tottenville, Richmond Town, New York. And we have the open house today from 12 to 2 p.m. It is a beautiful single family, 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Beautiful manicured property. Pavers throughout. Brick front. Siding. We are almost back at the property. You can get an idea of the neighborhood that we're in. And I will give you a little tour of the house. We got our sign up. This is the house. Beautiful, beautiful house. Driveway. Here we go. As you can see, the outside driveway, 3-car garage. Beautifully manicured. Now we'll take a look upstairs. Here we are. Okay, as you can see, a home, just a little bit preview. Okay. Well, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already for future videos from my YouTube channel. This is Chris Caggiano, your eXp real estate agent. If you need to reach me, call 718-550-8033.